Dear student, myself Dr. Shrikant, VL College of Pharmacy, Raichur. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest video. So today we are going to a new topic, that is an emulsion. Okay, that is an emulsion. Many of you know that milk, दूध बोलते हैं ना, उसको वो a natural emulsion बोलते हैं उसको. It's called as a natural emulsion. So in this class what we are enlightening the definition and introduction of the emulsion, and how this emulsion will contain the dispersed phase as well as the dispersion phases, and also we are enlightening the classification or the types of different emulsions which are available in the market. Okay, so what are emulsion? Emulsions are nothing but a common example what we called as a milk. Okay, so the milk, what it contain? Oil and water. So oil and water. So emulsions are biphasic liquid dosage form. What is it? It is a example comes under the liquid dosage form, and in that liquid dosage form it comes under as a biphasic liquid dosage form. Here bi means two phases will be there. One is water, another one is oil, and it comes as an example liquid dosage form. So that is why it is called as a biphasic liquid dosage form. This biphasic liquid dosage form will be two immiscible phases which contain the two immiscible phases. What are those two immiscible phases? One phase is always water. One phase is always water, and another phase is a one type of oil. The oil may be a fixed oil, a maybe mineral oil, or a volatile oil. Okay, I am get back to again. So these emulsions containing the two immiscible liquids. Among that one liquid, that is a water, or you can say that one phase water, and another phase is an oil. Oil may be any kind of oil, whether may be source from the fixed oil, source from the volatile oil, source from the mineral sources, and either one of the phase is dispersed in the form of a globules or into globules into another phase with the help of a third agent called as an emulsifying agent. मतलब क्या हो जाता है, ये वाटर का ग्लोबिल रहता है, ये ऑयल का ग्लोबिल रहता है. ये वाटर का ग्लोबिल इसके अंदर ऑयल के ग्लोबिल में अंदर जमा हुआ है, तो उसको बोलते हैं डिस्पर्शन, उसको बोलते हैं. इवन वाइस वर्सा, ऑयल ग्लोबिल रहता है, वाटर में अगर उसमें डाले तो एक ग्लोबिल फॉर्म हो जाता है ना, उसको डिस्पर्स्ड करते हैं ना, उसको डिस्पर्शन फेस बोलते हैं. सो ईदर वन ऑफ द फेस इज डिस्पर्स्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लोबिल्स इनटू अनदर फेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए थर्ड एजेंट. ईदर in this case water may be a dispersed phase or oil may be a dispersed phase. If water is dispersed in the oil, it is called as a water is a dispersed phase. If oil is dispersed in the water, it is called as a oil is a dispersed phase. Okay, the phase is dispersed is called as a dispersed phase, and the phase in which dispersed phase is dispersed is called as a dispersion media or continuous media. समझ लीजिए, this one oil globules रहता है, यहाँ पे वाटर रहता है. ये ऑयल ग्लोबिल वाटर में अगर हम लोग डिस्पर्स किए तो ऑयल इज बिकम एज एन डिस्पर्स्ड फेस एंड वाटर इज बिकम एज एन डिस्पर्शन फेस. सिमिलरली वाटर ग्लोबिल रहता है, ये ऑयल रहता है. ये वाटर ग्लोबिल ऑयल में डिस्पर्स किया तो जो रहता है ना ऑयल, उसको बोलते हैं डिस्पर्स्ड फेस. वाटर जो रहता है डिस्पर्शन फेस, मतलब ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम जो रहता है ना उसको डिस्पर्शन फेस बोलते हैं. कम ग्लोबिल्स रहता है ना उसको डिस्पर्स्ड फेस रहते हैं. ये दोनों तरीका रहता है, ऑयल में ऑयल इन वाटर भी रहता है, वाटर इन ऑयल भी रहता है. सो दिस एमल्शन आर मीन्ड फॉर इंटरनल as an external as well as the parenteral administration. So these emulsions are used for the internal purposes as well as the external purposes as well as the parenteral administration. Injection भी आ जाता है. So these emulsions are very much important in the pharmaceutical field. So just will enlightening the what is the dispersed phase as well as the dispersion phase. ये जो राउंड बता रहे हैं ना हम लोग, ये बोलते हैं इसको डिस्पर्स्ड फेस. ये डिस्पर्स्ड फेस में भी ऑयल एग्जाम्पल, एंड ये जो बाकी का जो रहता है ना ऐसा, वो जो बोलते हैं डिस्पर्शन फेस. सो दिस डिस्पर्शन फेस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज एन continuous phase. So this is an oil phase and this is an water phase. So dispersed phase is oil is there and dispersion phase is a water is there. So this is an example comes as an O by W. O is nothing but oil, W is nothing but water. This dispersion phase is also called as a continuous phase. Both are same. Okay, dispersion phase as well as the continuous phase. So this is called as a dispersed phase. Dispersed and dispersion is different. Dispersed is in a small volumes, whereas a dispersion is in a large volume. Okay, so that is in the example how the dispersed phase is dispersed in the dispersion phase of a water. So oil is in a dispersed phase. Oil is dispersed in the water, that is why it is called as a dispersion phase, and oil is as an internal phase and water is an external phase. So oil is another, you can say that it is an internal phase and water become as an external phase. So in the vice versa also there. Okay, so if the water is in a dispersed phase is there, so oil become as the external phases. So two phases are, one phase is called as an internal phase, another phase is called as an external phase. Okay, so this is about the brief introduction and the definition of and how the dispersed phase will be dispersed in the dispersion medium. Okay, based on that how you are identifying that O by W or W by O. So knowing this basic information, let me discuss the classification of emulsion. Classification of emulsion. There are mainly three classifications are there, or three types of emulsions are there. One we call as a conventional emulsion. कन्वेंशनल एमल्शन, उसका जो ग्लोबल साइज रहता है ना 5 to 50 माइक्रोन रहता है. ये जो ग्लोबल है ना इसका साइज रहता है 5 to 50 माइक्रोन साइज. ओके, 5 to 50 माइक्रोन जो अंदर का जो रहता है ना ब्लॉक स्पॉट बता रहा हूँ ना, वो जो चीज़ रहता है उसका ग्लोबल बोलते हैं. वो ग्लोबल का साइज 5 to 50 माइक्रोन इन कन्वेंशनल मेथड रहता है. इन कन्वेंशनल अगेन देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ emulsion, oil in water emulsion and water in oil in emulsion. Water in oil emulsion. Oil in water means oil is in a internal phase, so that is called as a dispersed phase. Water is in a continuous phase. Water is in the continuous phase, hence it is called as an oil in water type. Oil in water. In this case you see that water in oil means the dispersed phase is water and the dispersion phase is oil. So this is a dispersed phase and this is called as a dispersion phase or external phase or continuous phase. Both are the word same. Next comes the multiple emulsion. Multiple emulsion less than 50 micron. Size of the globule will be 50 micron. The size of the globule is 50 micron. Again there are two types are there. Oil in water in oil emulsion. See the word oil in water in oil emulsion and water in oil in water emulsion. So मतलब ये हो जाता है जो कन्वेंशनल emulsion रहता है ना oil in water right, तो वो oil in water is become as a one phase. Okay, oil in water become as a one phase. Again this phase is dispersed into the oil phase, that is called as an oil in water. This is one phase and this will become as a second phase. So here oil in water internal phase and oil is an external phase. So in this part the dispersion media is an oil, whereas dispersed phase is O by W. So similarly water in oil type, again dispersed phase is W by O, whereas the water is become as a continuous phase or external phases. So this is the difference between the conventional emulsion as well as the multiple emulsion. Next comes the micro emulsion. Here the size of the globule is less than the 50 angstrom. The size of the globule is less than 50 angstrom. Again there are two types, oil in water and water in oil emulsion. There are two types again in the micro emulsion. So less than the 50 angstrom size of the globule, then those are called as a micro emulsion. Again there are two types are there, oil in water emulsion, water in oil emulsion. So here, so this is there na, this is called as a dispersed phase, means the oil phase. Oil is an internal phase, whereas water is an external phases. So it is called as an oil in water. And similarly dispersed phase is dispersed phase is here water is there and the continuous phase is the oil is there. So this is an oil phase, and whereas the globule which are showing, that is an dispersed phases. So ये क्लास से हमको ये पता चला emulsion होता क्या है, उसका definition क्या है. Emulsion is nothing but which is available as a natural sources as called as a milk. Okay, मिल्क जो रहता है ना उसमें पानी और फैट रहता है ना, ऑयल रहता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं नेचुरल एमल्शन। उसी तरह है सिंथेटिक एमल्शंस जो प्रिपेयर करते हैं इन फार्मास्यूटिकल, दो आर कॉल्ड एज एमल्शन। एमल्शन आर बाइफेसिक लिक्विड डोसेज फॉर्म, टू इमिसिबल, दो लिक्विड रहता है, वन ऑयल एंड वन वाटर, and one of the phase will be dispersed into the one other phase. So this is the example of showing the dispersed phase as well as the dispersion phase. और क्लासिफिकेशन कैसा रहता है बेस्ड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ एमल्शंस, कन्वेंशनल एमल्शंस, मल्टीपल एमल्शन, माइक्रो एमल्शन, बेस्ड ऑन द ग्लोबल साइज जो रहता है ना उसके हिसाब से ये दूसरा एमल्शन रहता है। इसमें भी दो तरीका रहता है, ऑयल इन वाटर एंड वाटर इन ऑयल। जो भी ग्लोबल रहता है ना उसको बोलते हैं डिस्पर्स्ड फेज और इंटरनल फेज, जो मीडियम में डिस्पर्स हो जाता है ना उसको बोलते हैं कंटिन्यूस फेज आर द एक्सटर्नल फेसेस. Okay, so these are the conventional, multiple and micro emulsion. Hopefully you understand this emulsion video is very clearly. Thank you for watching this video.